Jerry padded top. For this one, guys, wala na tong ano. Dili overrun, no?
Dili, ta.
Wala. Good as new. Wala siyang flaw or anything. Padded po ito. Kasha up to large 38 bust size. From 450, this is down to 315. Mine 315. Mine 315. Kasha up to large. Pa-ribnet po siya, padded. And also, pa-velvetish po siya sa inner. Mine 315. Mine 315.
9315.
Yours! Sold out for the 315. Next item tayo.
Jerry.
Ay, sabi yan. Ito.
Isa na.
Kani overrun eh.
Jerry. Ay,
Ate, ba't sinasusunod ko si Jerry ito? Next is our Katarina top. Katarina top. Kasha up to XL 40 bust size. For the code comment, Mine Cat Cream. Mine Cat Cream, Mine Cat Cream from 680,476. Again guys, code basis po tayo para hindi po malito yung system natin. And system screen tayo para fair sa lahat. Again, system screen para fair sa lahat and code basis. Kahit pa kayo yung nakauna nag-comment ng mine guys, pero walang code, mapupunta po siya sa second na nag-comment. Again, Mine Cat Cream, Mine Cat Cream. Okay lang po if wrong spelling or what, basta sounds like. Mine Cat Cream from 680,476, kasha up to XL. Kasha up to XL, kasha up to XL. Functional po yung buttons natin with collar. Delay mo good. Next item tayo. Cat Cream, sold out. Cream, Katarina. Next item is our Kyra sleeveless knit top. Best fit up to large. Again, Kyra sleeveless knit top. Best fit up to large. First to comment, Mine Beige. Mine Beige, Mine Beige from 550. This is down to 385. 385, 385. Pa-halter top po siya na knitted. Mine Beige, Mine Beige. 385 pesos. Next item. Same na sila?
Ilan ka percent si Jerry?
Pareano. Pareano lagi. Stripe man eh. Beige na. Guys, 385. Mine Beige and Mine Stripes. Sold out for the beige. Mine Stripes, Mine Stripes. Stripe beige po ito ha. Mine Stripe, Mine Stripe. Cash up to large, 38 bust size. Knitted po. Kyra.
Rods. Sana? Kyra.
Kyra.
K-A-I-R-A-H.
Kyra. Mine Stripe, Mine Stripe. May last one pa po nito.
Color.
Ganina is beige, karon kay stripe beige.
Plain beige to ganito.
Oo. Stripe ang code sa stripe beige.
Wala na siya sa list.
Next item po tayo. Okay.
Sorry.
Next item is our Kilia Premium. Location po is Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental. We ship nationwide and worldwide. How much po yung suot? Ilan ito? 580 po, Ms. I. 580. Ayan, for the next item, guys, this is our Kilia Premium Button-Down Top. Functional po yung button, soft knit, kasha up to extra large. Again, can fit up to XL. For the code, comment QU. Mine QU white and QU gray. From 650, this is down to 455. 455 pesos. QU white, and QU gray. QU gray, QU white. Kasha XL 40 bust size. First to comment na po tayo 455 pesos lang. 455. QU gray. Buffalo. Hindi ko ba?
Napan. Tulo na.
Ayan, meron pa po tayong gray. QU white and QU gray. Paunahan na po tayo, 455 pesos na lang from 650. Cash up to XL 40 bust size. Next item tayo.
Pansta.
Nathan.
Di ba nagmay si Ma'am Johan ng Venus?
Oh, Venus top.
Ma'am.
Actually, duha ka book nagmind sa Venus top. Pero di ko kabalo if kikit sa siya una magod si Miss Johan, then nagmind po si Miss Des.
Kaya na, nag-brand din.
Manate? Next item guys, ito, premium pants natin. This is our Nathan pants. Kasha lang po siya up to small 26 waistline. Can fit up to 26 waistline. Pa-velvetish po siya guys. Dockers po yung kanyang fabric. Premium na premium, functional button. Yung pa-snap zipper with 2 side pockets and with free belt. For the coat, length is 37. Length is 37. Hindi po siya garterized sa likuran, guys. May decided po siya na pa-pocket. For the coat, comment mine not. Mine not khaki. Mine not maroon. And mine not black. With free belt na po siya from 1,180. This is down to 825. Code is not. Last one each. Best fit sa small lang talaga. 26 waistline. Length is 37. Length is 37. Pa-velvetish po yung kaniyang fabric, guys. 3 colors available. Not khaki, maroon, and black. 826 na lang from 1,180. Next item po tayo. How much pants? 800. 826 po, Miss Lichel. Ayan, next item tayo. This is our Adeline U-neck knit top. For the code, comment mine ED white. Soft knit po yung fabric, kasha up to extra large. ED white for only 440. ED white. Soft knit po yung fabric nito. 440 pesos. Pa U-neck po siya. Last one for this one. ED white. 440. Next item tayo. This is our Yesa sleeveless knit top. ED white.
Not out.
Hi, Miss Karen. Next is our Yesa sleeveless knit top. Kasha po siya up to large. Ayan. Pa-cable knit po siya, guys. And may pa-flower. Can fit up to 38 bust size. For the code, comment yes. Mine yes white. And mine yes midnight. Mine yes white. And mine yes midnight. For only 417. 417. Again, yes white. And mine yes midnight. 417.